another lovely unit. This one located at 77th Avenue North in Myrtle Beach. And this one has been really remodeled from head to toe. We're looking at, I guess, from ceiling to floor, should we say. Are you guys seeing that? Okay.
Oh, yeah.
So the flooring is brand new. It's luxury plank vinyl flooring, great for the beach environment. You can get sand on it. Water doesn't hurt it. You've got a nice size kitchen area here. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath. And it is
91.9.
Yeah, it's 91.9010, but it's 50. It's about 550 heated square feet, probably about 600 total with the balcony. And
but still full size appliances.
Hey, there I am. One day I'll make it so I'm not in it anywhere. Here's the full bath. And this vanity right here was just replaced. Brand new vanity. The paint they just did recently, I think within the last year or so. They've really done a lot of neat little touches to this unit. We've got granite countertops, newer backsplash, as you can see. Brand new cabinets. Just installed recently. And here we have, in my opinion, go ahead.
Yeah. Grande Shores has a killer view.
Honestly, for an ocean view unit, which the difference between oceanfront view we saw at Blue Water, ocean view unit, a lot of buildings, they'll have a view of like the building next door or a parking lot or whatever. And I'm going to remember to share the screen here, right thingamabobby. I'll show you and as you can see, this is the view. You guys see it?
Oh yeah, great view. I love it looking north over the woods.
Yeah, well, this is all residential. I really honestly do not see that ever changing. Do you, Robert? I mean, I just don't ever see them zoning that in a way that you're going to see these houses go away and all of a sudden
not 78 to 8 to Grand Dunes oceanfront. You wouldn't do that, but I mean, it's all residential in there.
Yeah, that's my personal opinion. But I don't see that happening. So you've got this gorgeous view right here. And of course you can kind of see down here, that's the 7th floor pool deck area that has a pool and 4 hot tubs and a lazy river as well. So
sunning deck and everything.
So all of that is right outside that window. And there's actually 3 pool decks at Grande Shores. They have an indoor pool, an outdoor pool, the 7th floor pool deck, which the great thing about the 7th floor pool deck is you get these panoramic views of the ocean while you're up there. And then the indoor, the ground floor, and the 7th floor pool decks, they're all heated. So you can enjoy them different times of the year. The indoor pool is heated all year round. I believe the outdoor pools have certain time frames that they're heated. There's an on-site restaurant and bar, a grill. There's also a fitness center, so you can get your exercise on. And it's just it's a great, fun area.
Yeah, great area.
The bedroom.
Go ahead, Kelly. I thought she said something. Yeah. Did she freeze up? That's all right. You know, the north end of Myrtle Beach, that 77th area, that, you know, a lot of people like that area too. There's a lot of great, you know, all of Myrtle Beach has great restaurants, but, you know, that part of the beach, you can, of course, zip up to the Shore Drive area. You can, Dixie Stampede, all of that's in that area. There's a ton of restaurants. And of course, the historical Restaurant Row is not that far away. Barefoot's not that far away, Barefoot Landing. You know, again, another really great location in Myrtle Beach. The HOA here covers everything. Also, just to note, I didn't bring this up at Blue Water. Blue Water's HOA covers all in-unit utilities plus insurance. And Grand Shores is similar in that it covers all the in-unit utilities, water, just like Blue Water, water, electric, and of course trash pickup and all that. But at Grand Shores, it also includes the HO6 policy, which is what covers your contents, the interior contents. So it's pretty much an all-inclusive HOA. So those are where our two properties. I don't know if we've had any anybody asking any questions so far, but we will be pinning this to the top of our Facebook page. And so it will be available for viewing at any time later. If somebody's watching this at a later time and they have some questions, they can certainly message us. We have additional information that people, you want gross rental revenue information. Both units can be rented out short term. Pets are allowed at Blue Water. They're not allowed at Grand Shores. There's probably
pets at Blue Water. There's no breed restriction too that I know of at Blue Water. I mean, maybe that's changed in the last 6 months or so, but we have lots of clients that are in there because there's no size and or breed restriction.
Mm-hmm.
So that's a big deal for an oceanfront condo. You can bring your family member.
Yeah, and it's a difference between the two buildings because Grand Shores does not allow pets for owner or a tenant. A lot of buildings don't allow it for tenants, but both buildings, great resorts, great locations. I think we've covered all of the main points. I think we lost Kelly. She was having some.
Yeah.
Again, going to be pinned to the top of our Facebook page. If you're watching this at a later date, feel free to ask us any questions. We can send you additional pictures, however we can help. Again, we have these 3D scans. If you would like us to send you a link to one so you can have it for yourself to look at, all you have to do is ask. And we hope you have a great Friday evening. Did you have anything else to add, Robert?
No. Excuse me, but it doesn't just ease. If you have questions about any condos, HOAs, net income, gross income, what it includes, what it doesn't include, sales history, things of that nature, comparables, that you're interested in on a particular building, what sold, what hasn't, how long it's been on the market, just reach out. I mean, either one of us we can make ourselves available to answer those questions.
Absolutely. Everybody have a great weekend. And we will see you later.
See ya.